Hi, so I'm doing like a little shopping spree. I'm gonna put an order in on the 1st of August. So this video is gonna be up until then. And then I should have it for the end of September. And as you guys probably know, that's my birthday month. I'm born on the 18th of September. So yeah, hopefully I get it in time. I need your help on it though. So I'm wanting like a neutral stone. I don't want black because it looks like a beard. I don't mind having a beard, but it's not the vibe I'm going for anymore. Then I'm not looking for white either. I've had white before. Insert a photo here, and I'll insert a photo of me wearing a black one here. But then also, I know it sounds really boring, but I like the colour grey. No, I know, boring. So, I'm looking on the website and I can't find grey, but I like this stone, and I like this stone, and let's add in this stone. But yeah, I just don't know what to pick. And obviously, as a vegan, I'm not going to pick horn or antler or bone. That blows my mind that people would have that in their mouth. But whatever, you do you. So yeah, and I've had a blue one before to match my blue sapphires. So I'm not fancying a colour because I want something that goes with every outfit. I don't really wear a lot of colour in my outfits, but even so, like I think I look a little OTT. That's why I'm getting these removed. That video will be posted once I finally get it off, because I'm just taking every single video of every single time at the moment, and I'll put them all together. Enough about that. Help me find a stone. And then I'm also thinking, what shape am I going to go for? So I'm currently wearing, it's not a wide opal, I think oval, I think it's called a gentle oval. So I could go for a wide oval, a gentle oval again, or a circle. So that's kind of a bit more. But yeah, Shannon doesn't like them ones, but I love them ones. And also I could get more than one. Nothing's stopping me getting like one, I could have like a round one for when I'm thinking I would like a different change. But yeah, here's some stones, like a lineup of stones that I like. I'll even put like a flick through on the video, and I'll even tag the place that I get the stones from down here. Stone Wolf Adornments, they're called. I always get my lip jewellery from there. And then also I normally email them because the bit that touches your gums normally, I like that rounded so it's not sharp. So that's extra. And then I email them again because sometimes the stone that I like doesn't go up to 30mm. So I'll email them and be like, hey, have you got this stone in 30mm? I look on the Instagram and it seems almost like my lip stretcher is the largest lip stretcher they do for people. There is the odd person that has quite large, but yeah, not being like big headed or nothing, but I feel like my lip stretcher's the biggest. 30mm. The canny people, Russell and the crew that I work at Stone Wolf Adornments. Sorry, I'm getting a bit lazy when talking. It's too early and I haven't had my coffee yet. So I could always message them and be like, hey, is the biggest that you do? Okay, so I looked at the Instagram, and you know how I said I think I've got the largest labret? Look at them bad lads. I think they win. But then also I like the wing length on this. I don't know if you can tell, but my wing length is quite wide. I don't like it too short because it just falls out the front, especially if I'm eating like a burger or something. But I don't like it too wide either because it makes my face look funny. So yeah. Also, if I get like a rounded one, it'll be more like that, and I think that's kind of cute. But what to do? So if you guys can help me pick a stone, I am putting the order in on the 1st of August when I get some pennies. So I would like your help. Tell me what shape, tell me what colour, out of these colours. I was looking at tourmalated quartz, I hope I'm saying that right, and I found these images and I thought, I don't want to look like I've got a beard, but I think this might make me look like I've got a beard. It's like spiky hairs. And I also thought labradorite as well. I hope I'm saying that right. Sorry if I'm not. But I saw this on their Instagram, the top one, and I thought that's so cute. And you can pick if you want more blue in it or you want the stone to have more like orangey yellow tones in it. And I think this must be the orangey yellow tones, but ooh, it's sun-kissed. That looks quite cute actually. So I can imagine the blue one's quite nice. I might have to try and find a picture of the blue one. This one at the bottom is white cat's eye glass, and I know I didn't say that I wanted a white one, but that's kind of cute, isn't it? I don't know if I'd suit it though. I wear quite a lot of dark clothes, but sometimes I'll go out my comfort zone, wear all white, so who knows. I also thought wavy jasper as well. Sorry, someone's singing, I think. So I also thought wavy jasper. And then I looked it up on Google, and this is wavy jasper, and I'm like, it's not a vibe, it's not for me. British Columbian ocean stone. Too blue, isn't it? It's too blue. It kind of gives it away in the name, really, doesn't it? Ocean stone. So then I know I said I wouldn't like white, but then there was white quartz here. It's cute. It's cute. And I saw silver sheen obsidian, this, and I thought that's up there. That's up there with the labradorite. That's a winner. That's one of the W's that's going to be at the top. More images of the silver obsidian stone. Cute, aren't they? Can you imagine? A milky quartz. I'm saying it again, it's a white stone, but look how cute. Almost edible cute. But I don't know if it's what I'm going for. Then I thought rainbow obsidian, this. And then I looked it up and I came across this. And I was like, that's not my vibe. I'm not really into rainbow, like crazy pattern rainbow things like that. So I'm glad I looked it up. But please help me with a shape, like and subscribe. Bye!